What's up guys, your boy D-Dog here. Today I have a surprise unboxing that I got today. The only reason why I got this gift was because someone got tired of me not responding to my text messages. My wife decided she wanted to buy me this pretty much so I can respond to her text messages. So I always wanted one of these, but I just never found the time to buy one. I actually have one now. What I have here is the Fossil watch. This is the Fossil Gen 3. As you know, with the Android Wear, what can I say? Like these smartwatches are about to take off, man, in my opinion. So I figured I'd get one before, before everyone else started to pick back up on the smartwatch wave. So this is the latest ones, the Gen 3s, the Q Explorist. Maximum storage on here is like 4 gigs. These watches can be used on Apple as well. You got to have at least iPhone 5 and iOS 9 and up, and I think you have to have Android 4.3. It's pretty much this watch. This is the male watch, of course, because I didn't want to get the female watch because why would I need that? My wife ended up getting the female version of the same watch, and she was a little perturbed because there's a feature on here that only the male watches get. There's a feature on here that on these watches that on the little dial right here, so if you see this little dial right here, you will see that it will, if I turn it, when I power it on, once I turn it, it will literally like scroll through all my apps that I have on here. On the female version of it, it doesn't do that. It doesn't even move. It won't do anything. I mean, hey. They had another one that took your heart rate and everything, but I'm like, you know what? I don't need that per se. So I decided to just go with this one, even though my wife surprised me and got me this. I knew what was going to happen because we went into the store and she's like, don't you want to try on one? Lesson learned here, folks. If your girlfriend or wife tells you to try something on, you should go look at something. 9 times out of 10, they might want to buy it for you. Just let you know that off bat. So that's a tip from D-Dog, okay? So back to the review. Other than that, man, let's open it up. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so here is the Fossil Watch Gen 3. I'm gonna open it up real quick. I don't want to wiggle it because I don't want to think I might break it or whatnot. Here we have the watch. The bands are interchangeable. I think it's like a 48. You can change it to any band. What I was told was that if so like if I want to go with a link, start getting the links, which I will never get, that I can easily just go buy it, So I like the sports one because even though I know this is gonna get sweaty, but the sports one, I like these bands. They work well with watches. I haven't bought a watch in a while. My last watch was like a gold watch. And here we have directions, pretty much like, oh, welcome to Fossil, whoop-de-whoop whoop. And here, the USB cable. Now they do say that do not charge your device with another type of charger. They say use the charger that came with it. Try not to use another charger because apparently they have certain voltage that goes to the watch and you don't want to damage it. The price for this was, I'll tell you the price was like $255 in store. They wasn't doing no deals. It's not powering up, so what I'll do is I'll charge it real quick and then we'll come back. We'll show you what's actually on here. Okay, so let it charge for a little bit. So from here, I get to pick my language, whatnot. Obviously, we're English, United States. So my phone, so I gotta download and open Android Wear. Pretty much, I'll go on my phone. You know what I'm saying? I'll put that right there. Go on your phone, go on your device, and then we just go download it. Showing y'all how simple, like it looks like it's so simple to set up and whatnot. I have a Google Pixel 1. My wife has the Google Pixel 2. I have the XL. She has the XL 2. So it's saying so slow. So as I scroll down right here, as you can see, it'll say on my phone, download and open Android Wear, and Android Wear connect this watch to this name. So from here on the setup, we have a watch. Yeah, we'll look at the terms of service. You'll agree to the terms of service. Or, fitness data and automatic updates. If you want that, you can set that, whatnot. I will recommend that you do automatic updates just so you won't have to do that. You have to turn your Bluetooth on as well. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so there you go. So after that, found my watch, and then it will prompt and connect to the phone. Would you like to connect? Yes, pair it. Phone is connected. So now it's getting all the details on my phone too, and it's gonna put it on my watch. Now my battery is like low, so I'm gonna go put my phone on the charger real quick. What ended up happening is, as I was putting my phone on the charger, it prompted me to type in my name, you know, what emails that I wanted, you know, copy over, and I had, you know, verified and I'm copying everything. So now it's currently setting up on this device right here. So it's going to move like my contacts, it's going to move like my calendar, meetings, notifications, text messages, everything pretty much. Like this thing can take my footsteps, it can play music, I can actually respond to phone calls, I can actually do voice to text on here, you know, actually pick it up. I can also, you know, and it's also a watch. So that's pretty cool. One thing I wish that I really want to hold off on the smartwatches, because I want to wait till they got video so I could be like Inspector Gadget. I just wish it had it on there. So that's just what I want. So I'm gonna let this set up and then we'll come back when it's on the next feature. Okay, so as you can see, that is done. Just waiting on this focus to get on here. Okay, so now that I got it set up, we're gonna go ahead and just show you, like, this is the thing that I was talking about with my wife's phone. Oh, not her phone, with her watch. She can't do this on her watch. Scroll up and down or whatnot. So as you can see, it shows like my count. I'm clear all that, but it shows like tutorials, you know, everything. It does not even show this on her device. Like, I can go get it and show you guys. You guys will pretty much be laughing. I don't know what it's downloading, but probably download my music or whatnot. So I can also set right there. I can see if I can put my phone on airplane mode. I can go through some settings for the brightness or whatnot. I can cut it all the way up. All right, so I mean, so pretty much, man, I really think this watch is pretty much good. Like I said, you can change the bands on the watch as well. You can change it on there, and I think my wife just responded to my text message. Let's see what she said. She did not respond. So yeah, like I said, man, I really think this watch is going to be a move. Like, it's been a while since I had a watch. The last watch I had was like a gold diamond watch. Had that boy back in like, what, 07. It was my first gold watch. I was on my Lupe Fiasco shit, you know. And I was on my gold watch, had the gold glasses, and then like, it got stolen. I don't know, stolen? Yeah, it got stolen. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna chuck it up to being stolen. Ever since then, I just haven't really been into buying watches. You know what I'm saying? So I finally have one. You know, this is actually gonna be good that I actually have a smartwatch now that I can, you know, tailor and play with. It's like a new toy. I recommend that people go get you one. I mean, people probably already got one. They probably already got the Gen 2s. People already got the Gen 1. I know Keller has one. I think he had the Motorola ones when they first came out. So he's been already on the smart watch wave. He's been trying to get me to get on for the longest. So I got one. I mean, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool. Go gadget, you know. That's how I feel. I feel like I'm on my, you know, my Inspector Gadgetness or whatnot. And that's just it. If you want to know any more information about these watches, I will actually put the link in the description and below for the full specs. Also, if you want to purchase the watch, I will put the actual link in the description below, so you can actually go to the Amazon page and take a gander at it if you want it. So other than that, the price, like I said, the price was like $255. I think it was a pretty good price. It wasn't like overly priced or anything like that. I mean, I pretty much got me another toy to play with, you know, to go with my Google Pixel. So this would be good for me to be like, to not really be on my phone like that, which I'm not on my phone like that when I'm at work. So this would be good. So when my wife do text me, it was the reason why she bought me this, because she said I don't reply to her text messages when I'm at work. And it's true. Sorry, but I get text messages really late because I get caught up in work. So other than that, man, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. If you really like this video and you like my content, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Also, if you also want to be notified whenever I go live here, post videos, whatnot, make sure you smash that notification button as well. It greatly helps whenever I go live. You guys won't miss any videos. Other than that, thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys later. You guys stay up, stay safe. Peace.